Welcome to the Correct Inventory tutorial series, where we follow AeroFab manufacturing from raw materials all the way through to finished product shipment. Each video builds on the previous one so viewers see real materials travel from raw stock through receiving, assembly, and finally fulfillment. In this first video, we configure the system and define the inventory types we will use in every video that follows. From the Help menu, select Preferences, then choose Inventory Preferences. Mac users can also access preferences by selecting Settings from the correct menu. On the Default tab, select or deselect the Mix Batch option. The two schedules that follow are for liabilities and expenses, used to generate a payable voucher when receiving items on a purchase order. Set these if you have integrated accounting with inventory. Select the Barcode Font button to choose a barcode font from your system font list. Under Workspace Default Views, check Inventory Identifiers so this view loads automatically whenever you open inventory. Click Apply. Next, select the Platform Preferences tab. Enter your company name, preferred currency, data format, and font. User services used to manage data access when an application requests access to your data. Click Apply, then Apply and Close. We will now enter a supplier and a shipper for use in this tutorial. Go to Help, then Administration, and select Administrator. Select the Vendor tab. To add a vendor, right-click and choose Add Vendor. Begin entering the contact details, including the address in the appropriate fields. The address format is pre-selected to US. You can right-click the Format button to choose international options. Repeat these same steps to enter a shipper. There's no limit to the number of vendors you can add, and they can be entered at any time. You don't need to add them all at once. Once saved, these vendors will be available for use in the next step. Next, we'll move on to setting purchase order defaults. Now select the Inventory tab within Administrator. This is where you define your purchase order defaults. Under Purchase Order Number, enter your starting number. The Sold To, Bill To, and Ship To fields are user-defined drop-down lists, allowing you to create and select multiple entries. For Bill To and Ship To, a dialog will open so you can enter address information. As in other areas, you'll see an icon for selecting address formats. To make an edit, simply right-click, make your change, and tab out. Shippers is a service require drop-down list. When the vendor radio button is selected, all vendor accounts are listed. Selections are grouped when a shipper's radio button is selected. For this example, I will select Skyship Logistics Incorporated and FedEx. The shippers list is available when creating purchase orders in the Purchase Order view. Add a default agent with contact details. Next, I will add a fabricator and check a known supplier. Save. These settings become the defaults on every purchase order we create. That completes video 1. We configured preferences, added vendors, and set up the administrator with our shippers, suppliers, and agents. In video 2, we create both base and compound inventory types, define the actual inventory identifiers, and organize them into groups. Thank you for watching.